Let the rhythm of Portuguese life embrace you. Whether you're indulging in local cuisine, absorbing the vibrant culture, or watching the sunset paint the horizon in hues of gold, Lagos will capture your heart. Here are the best things to do in Lagos, Portugal. Number 13. Old Town of Lagos. There is no better place to start your exploration of Lagos than its old town. This historic gem beckons you to immerse yourself in its winding cobbled streets, where each turn reveals delightful surprises. Meander through this charming labyrinth and discover quaint boutiques, inviting local cafes serving up traditional Portuguese cuisine, and centuries-old buildings adorned with unique architectural details. The old town's signature whitewashed structures, adorned with bursts of vibrant colors, provide an idyllic backdrop for your journey. Dive into history by visiting notable churches like the Church of Santo Antonio and other historical landmarks. As day turns into night, don't miss the chance to experience the vibrant nightlife. Number 12. Lagos Castle. Step back in time and explore the medieval Lagos Castle. Built by the Moors in the 8th century, the castle was later expanded by the Portuguese and used as a military stronghold and a prison. Today, it's a popular tourist attraction, offering stunning views of the city and the ocean. Within its walls, you can wander through the castle's many towers and courtyards, learn about its history, and imagine what life was like for those who lived and worked here centuries ago. You can also visit the castle's museum, which houses exhibits on the history of Lagos and the region. No visit to Lagos would be complete without a visit to this iconic castle. Soak up the atmosphere, learn about its fascinating history, and enjoy the stunning views. Number 11. Church of Santo Antonio. The Church of Santo Antonio is a captivating fusion of history, architectural brilliance, and spirituality. Its resplendent gold leaf interior and opulent detailing will capture your attention. This architectural masterpiece impeccably showcases the traditional Portuguese Baroque style, with walls and ceilings adorned in lovely blue ceramic tiles narrating biblical tales. Beyond its spiritual significance, this church is a veritable treasure trove of artistry, a testament to Portugal's cultural opulence. At every turn, you'll encounter exquisite craftsmanship reflecting the nation's heritage. Number 10. Slave Market Museum. Discover the profound history of Lagos by visiting the Slave Market Museum. As you step inside, uncover the stories that shed light on the city's intricate connection to the dark era of the slave trade. This institution's compelling exhibits vividly illustrate the harrowing past, showcasing an array of artifacts and engaging interactive displays. Amidst the somber atmosphere, take a moment to remember the countless victims of slavery in the museum's tranquil memorial garden. Here, you can silently pay your respects, contemplating the immense human toll exacted by this burial trade. For a more profound understanding of how slavery's legacy has shaped Lagos today, consider opting for a guided tour. Number 9. Beaches of Lagos. Go for a refreshing experience at any of Lagos's beautiful beaches, particularly Praia Dona Ana and Praia do Camilo. These beaches truly define natural splendor with their golden sands, crystal clear waters, and dramatic cliff backdrops. They stand as some of Portugal's most breathtaking coastal treasures. Whether you intend to lounge on the shore, bask in the sun's warmth, or take a rejuvenating swim in the Atlantic, these idyllic beaches offer the perfect escape. While you're exploring the beaches, make sure to stop by Ponta da Piedade, a headland of limestone cliffs that are eroded into dramatic shapes, including caves, arches, and pillars. It's a popular spot for boat tours that take visitors to explore the caves and grottos. Number 8. Benagio Cave. Kayaking to Benagio Cave is an exciting activity that you don't want to miss during your visit to Lagos. This thrilling activity allows you to connect with the pristine beauty of Portugal's coastline. As you paddle along the azure waters, you'll be entranced by the natural wonders that enshroud this renowned cave. Take your time to appreciate the intricate rock formations sculpted over centuries, each telling a story of nature's artistry. Inside, the cave's grandeur unfolds as sunlight gently filters through a vast opening in the ceiling, casting enchanting hues and shadows. As you explore further, absorb the serenity that permeates this hidden gem, allowing you to fully envelop yourself in the experience. Number 7. Lagos Science Center. Make your way to Lagos Science Centre, an impressive institution dedicated to science education and exploration. The centre offers an immersive experience that will stimulate your imagination and pique your curiosity. Within its walls, you'll encounter intriguing exhibits covering diverse scientific domains such as astronomy, biology, and physics. Delve into hands-on experiments and engaging activities that turn learning into an exciting adventure for visitors of all ages. Whether you're gazing at the celestial wonders in the planetarium or uncovering the mysteries of the natural world in the expansive outdoor garden, the Science Centre offers something to captivate everyone's interest. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Lagos experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 6. Lagos Fortress. Visit Lagos Fortress to delve into its profound historical significance. This formidable structure boasts a storied past dating back to the 17th century. It stood as a sentinel, safeguarding the city against marauding pirates. Wander leisurely along its weathered walls, where you can revel in the impressive views of the rugged coastline. Step inside and you'll be enthralled by an engaging museum, replete with maritime treasures and engrossing exhibits that detail Portugal's naval legacy. Also, ensure you explore the subterranean chambers and admire the impeccably preserved cannons. Number 5. Lagos Municipal Museum. At Lagos Municipal Museum, you'll gain insight into archaeology, ethnography, and mineralogy. This distinguished institution pays homage to the renowned Portuguese scientist and archaeologist Dr. José Formosinho. Within its walls, an array of artifacts spanning prehistoric eras to the late Middle Ages provides glimpses into Portugal's alluring history. The collections extend beyond history, encompassing exquisite sacred art pieces, each narrating religious stories with intricate craftsmanship. In line with Dr. Formosinho's dedication to natural science, the museum presents enthralling exhibits into geology and marine biology. Explore the Earth's geological wonders and unravel the mysteries of marine ecosystems. Number 4. Lagos Marina. Consider including Lagos Marina in your itinerary to explore this town from a unique perspective and absorb its calm atmosphere. Begin your visit with a leisurely stroll along the waterfront, where you'll discover charming shops, cafes, and restaurants that beckon you to explore their offerings. As you walk along the marina, take a moment to admire the beautiful yachts and boats elegantly docked, creating a picturesque scene against the backdrop of the tranquil blue waters. The refreshing sea breeze gently caresses your skin, enhancing the sensory experience as you continue your journey along the promenade. From here, you can soak in attractive views of the harbour and the scenic landscapes that embrace it. Number 3. Seven Hanging Valleys Trail. As one of the country's most renowned hikes, the Seven Hanging Valleys Trail invites you to discover its allure. This invigorating trail unveils a remarkable journey along rugged cliffs, granting unmatched vistas at the Atlantic Ocean. Along the way, the beauty of Marina Beach emerges, showcasing one of the world's most exquisite beaches. Its sands, resplendent in gold, are met by crystalline waters that inspire awe. The pathway presents a fusion of picturesque coastal panoramas, cliffs etched with drama, and hidden coves that entice exploration. Traverse the trail's winding path, connecting with nature's grandeur while soaking in the spectacular coastal marvels. Number 2. Daytrip to Sagres. Just 19 miles away from Lagos, Sagres beckons with its hidden treasures for a memorable day trip. Begin your exploration with a visit to Sagres Fortress, a magnificent 15th century fort that majestically perches upon cliffs overlooking the vast Atlantic Ocean. From this historical vantage point, you get to see its vast surroundings. Venture onward to Cape St. Vincent, a site often dubbed the end of the world due to its dramatic cliffs. Here, the sheer magnificence of nature's beauty unfolds before you. Take a relaxed stroll along one of Sagres' pristine beaches, where the rhythm of the waves serenades your senses. For the adventurous spirit, this town is renowned as a surf haven, inviting you to ride the waves. Number 1. Luz Village. Don't miss the chance to take in the serene beauty of Luz Village. As you explore this enchanting former fishing village, prepare to fall in love with its unique charm. Cobblestone streets wind their way through picturesque whitewashed houses, creating a lovely atmosphere that encourages further exploration. While you're here, indulge in leisurely walks along the scenic promenade or unwind on the golden sands of Luz Beach. Sample delectable seafood delight at local restaurants, savoring the flavors of the sea. What's more, dive into the rich history and culture of Luz by visiting Nossa Senhora da Luz Church or exploring nearby ancient ruins. Click here for more things to do in Portugal.